If you're forming an LLC and stuck between ZenBusiness and LegalZoom, the wrong choice here could cost you extra money, time, or even legal headaches down the line. These are two of the most popular formation services out there, but they of course serve very different types of entrepreneurs. In this video, I'll break down which one is better for your specific situation. That way you can file your LLC quickly, affordably, and more importantly, with confidence. Now, LLC formation services are designed to simplify the process of starting your business by handling the paperwork, filing it with your state, and offering optional services like an EIN registration and registered agent support. Instead of navigating complex government forms yourself, platforms like ZenBusiness and LegalZoom walk you through it step by step. While both get the job done, they do have very different strengths, pricing, and of course, user experiences. I'll be showing you exactly how each one works, what you're really paying for, and of course which platform makes the most sense based on what goals you have. The first one we'll start out with is ZenBusiness. ZenBusiness stands out for offering a clean, beginner-friendly platform with straightforward pricing. Their starter plan lets you start an LLC for $0. That means all you'll have to end up paying are the actual state filing fees, making it one of the most affordable options available. The setup process here is super fast and intuitive with just a few questions to answer before your paperwork gets submitted. Even with the free plan, you get features like 100% accuracy guarantee and even 1 year of worry-free compliance support, which helps keep your business in good standing. Now, for most new entrepreneurs who want a low-cost, hassle-free way to get started, ZenBusiness seems like it's a pretty decent option. LegalZoom, on the other hand, is a much more established brand with a much broader range of legal services, making it a better fit if your business needs direct access to things like attorneys. Their higher tier plans include consultations with licensed lawyers, help with a business compliance, and even access to over 150 customizable legal documents. While their LLC filing service starts at about $0 plus state fees, the real value comes from their legal subscription model, which basically offers ongoing advice and hands-on support for things like contract reviews and even business changes. If legal protection is a priority for your company, LegalZoom gives you access to tools and expertise that other platforms really don't. Now, while it is the case that LegalZoom shines in offering legal guidance, its interface can feel somewhat overwhelming, especially for first-time business owners. The website has much more complex navigation, denser content, and of course, less intuitive workflows compared to ZenBusiness. This can oftentimes lead to confusion during the setup process, especially if you're not familiar with legal terminology. However, LegalZoom's broader legal network and longer customer support hours are definitely going to be seen as an advantage here if you expect to need frequent advice or help making legal changes to your business over time. It's built more for scale and support rather than just ease of use. If your main goal here is to form an LLC quickly and move on to building your business, ZenBusiness is pretty much one of the more practical choices here. You don't need legal experience, and the step-by-step process makes setup super easy and straightforward. Whether it's filing your articles of organization to generating an operating agreement and even securing your EIN, everything is just super simplified. You'll also get access to optional services like a registered agent or even worry-free compliance support, which are super helpful, but of course, not forced on you in this process. ZenBusiness gives you pretty much exactly what you need to launch your business and nothing that you don't, making it one of the better picks for more actual time-conscious entrepreneurs. Now, one of the biggest comparisons that everybody will keep asking the question about is their pricing. What can we expect from both these platforms? How much am I going to have to spend? If we take a look at something like ZenBusiness, they consistently include more features for less money in all of their pricing plans. As you can see right here, if you guys use the link down in the description of this video, you'll be taken to their pricing plan page. On their pricing plan page, they have 3 specific plans that you can choose from: a starter plan, a pro plan, and their premium plan. If we take a look at their starter plan, this covers basically all of their required filings with the state, and they have their accuracy guaranteed model. This plan will cost you $0 and you'll only end up having to pay the state fees, and they process it in about 7 to 10 days. This comes with their standard filing service and 100% accuracy guarantee, as well as a worry-free compliance offer to make sure that you're always within compliance. Now, the next step up from this is their Pro plan, which is actually their most popular plan. This is going to cost you about $199 a year, plus any state fees that you have to pay along with those. Any documents within this plan will be processed in about 1 business day. And as you can see, it comes with a rush filing service, 100% accuracy guarantee, worry-free compliance support, operating agreements, and of course, ID required to file taxes, which is super beneficial if you're eventually going to file taxes for this business. And then if you want full support for everything, you could check out something like their premium plan. This plan will cost you about $299 a year plus their state fees. And as you can see, it comes with everything you'll get inside of the Pro plan, plus some even bigger benefits like a business document template library, domain names, AI website builders, business email addresses, and premium support. Now let's go ahead and compare that directly to LegalZoom and see what they offer in direct comparison. If you guys head over to the link down in the description and click it for LegalZoom, you should be brought to a page that looks something like this. As you can see, I'll scroll down here. What I'm going to do is take us over to their pricing page so we have a clear idea of what it will cost us to actually get started with them. As you can see, they have 3 main pricing tiers that we can choose from: a basic plan, a pro plan, or their premium plan. Basic plan, once again, is $0 plus the state filing fees. The pro plan is $249 plus state filing fees, and their premium plan is $299 plus state filing fees. Inside of their basic plan, you get things like articles of organization and even a name check service to confirm that your preferred business name is available. If we look at their pro plan, it comes with an operating agreement, an EIN, bookkeeping tools, and of course, unlimited e-signatures and a host of other helpful features. And then inside of their premium plan, you'll basically get everything inside of the pro plan with a much more hands-on assistance from their support team. Once you decide which of these platforms you want to go with, it's a super easy step-by-step process to get started with your business. They'll walk you through every single step, making sure that you don't miss anything, and you'll always be making the right decision inside of the process. They'll give you step-by-step instructions to make sure that you fill out all of the necessary forms and you get the documentation right the first time. Now, you're probably wondering which one of these is the right choice for me. If your goal is to get the most services without overpaying, ZenBusiness definitely delivers a lot better value here, especially when you look at the amount of features that you get for the price. If you're still on the fence, in my opinion, ZenBusiness offers a helpful comparison tool directly on their website. All you have to do is scroll to the bottom of the homepage, click Compare ZenBusiness, and go ahead and select LegalZoom from that list. You'll see a side-by-side breakdown of every feature included in each pricing tier, making it super easy to compare value without having to dig through each site. This tool gives you a clear visual of how much more ZenBusiness includes at each level, which of course can help you with making the best decision on which of these services you're planning on going with. Now, in my opinion, both ZenBusiness and LegalZoom can help you form an LLC, but the better choice really comes down to your priorities. If you want a clean, affordable, and beginner-friendly experience, ZenBusiness gives you much more value with faster setup and simpler tools that you can choose from. If your business needs legal support or ongoing consultation with attorneys, LegalZoom is built for that level of service. Either way, though, you'll find links to both of these platforms down in the description. Make sure you use those when you're planning on getting started with them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Also, please remember the links down in the description are affiliate links, and we could financially benefit from them at no extra cost to you. So thank you in advance for supporting more videos like this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a future video.